Hey there, curious minds! Ever wondered why sneezes seem to strike out of the blue? Well, get ready to uncover the science behind those sudden achoo moments, because today we're diving deep. You see, our noses are like detectives, constantly sniffing out irritants and invaders that could cause us harm. Sneezes can be triggered by anything from dust and pollen to sudden changes in temperature or even bright light. Interestingly, sneezes are our body's way of protecting us, clearing the nose of bacteria and viruses. And did you know sneezes can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, spreading germs far and wide? So next time a sneeze catches you off guard, remember it's just your body doing its job.